Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
Forget the ordinary fire starters. Procamptek Fire Stripper Roll is your backstage pass to a survival adventure that's nothing short of epic. Imagine yourself as the rugged hero of your own action movie, armed with this incredible tool that transforms nature's elements into a fiery spectacle. With the Fire Stripper Roll, you're not just kindling a fire, you're igniting the drama of your journey. The wilderness becomes your stage, and you are the star. Unfurl this roll of fiery magic and craft flames that dance with the intensity of a Hollywood inferno. It's more than just a tool. It's your VIP pass to a thrilling, primal narrative. Battle the elements with unwavering determination and awe-inspiring fiery prowess. Procamptek Fire Stripper Roll is your ticket to survival, adventure, and a touch of Hollywood flair. Introducing the four-time world's strongest man, Brian Shaw, and his sidekick, the TRX Brute Force Duct. Officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's strongest duct tape, TRX Brute Force is a force to be reckoned with. But what can the world's strongest man achieve with the world's strongest duct tape? TRX Brute Force boasts forge-link technology, double-thick adhesive, and a durable, waterproof backing, making it the most powerful duct tape on the market. Even Brian Shaw, with his superhuman strength, couldn't tear it with his bare hands. This powerful duct tape can withstand the rigorous workouts of a strong man like Brian Shaw, so imagine what it can do for your projects. TRX Brute Force is undeniably the world's strongest duct tape. Experience the power for yourself and tackle your next challenge with confidence. Forget the ordinary backpack. The Maelstrom is a beast of a different breed, built to conquer any trail. With more compartments than a spy's toolkit, this backpack is like strapping a fortress to your shoulders. Imagine scaling peaks, navigating valleys, and fording streams with the Maelstrom on your back. It's not just a backpack, it's a portable command center for the adventurous soul. The ergonomic design and massive capacity make it feel like you're carrying a cloud, not a load. From snacks to spare socks, the Maelstrom swallows your gear whole. It's the Swiss Army knife of backpacks, ready for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're a day hiker or a wilderness wanderer, the Maelstrom hiking backpack isn't just a pack. It's your trusty companion on the journey to outdoor glory. Turn every trail into a conquest with this beast of a backpack. Every adventure is different, but one thing remains the same. Your gear needs to pull its weight. The Stakeout is more than just a multi-tool. It's a campsite management system packed with 11 essential tools. From setting up camp to packing out, the Stakeout has you covered. Its tent stake puller makes packing up a breeze, while the cutting tools, including a saw, scissors, and a full-size blade, handle any task with ease. On the other side, you'll find a ruler, file, striker, bottle opener, and tweezers, ensuring you're prepared for anything. The built-in carabiner makes it easy to attach to your backpack or belt loop. The Stakeout is compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile. It's the perfect tool for any camper who wants to streamline their gear and simplify their adventures. The award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is your perfect companion for everyday use and your favorite adventures. Incredibly lightweight and portable, it allows you to confidently drink water from virtually anywhere. Trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers, LifeStraw has been a reliable choice since its inception. While drinking directly from various sources may seem risky, LifeStraw employs advanced technology to ensure your safety. Water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that effectively remove bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter is durable, lasting up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase of a LifeStraw product makes a meaningful impact. For every LifeStraw purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone deserves access to clean, safe water. Stay safe and pack a LifeStraw for your next adventure. When exploring the great outdoors, having access to clean drinking water is paramount for hydration and safety. Platypus Quickdraw Ultralight 1-liter backpacking water filter system is a compact and efficient solution for on-the-go hydration needs. Designed for backpacking, hiking, and camping, this ultralight system fits snugly into almost any pocket, ensuring you have clean water wherever your adventure takes you. Its wide mouth and handle allow for quick and easy filling at any water source, making the included reservoir the perfect dirty bag or custom filter system. Connect cap threads the clean side of the filter directly onto any 28mm water bottle, enabling versatile use with various containers. With a super-fast flow rate of 3 liters per minute when squeezed and 1.75 liters per minute in a gravity water filter setup, you can quickly quench your thirst without delays. Easy to clean with no tools required, this system ensures hassle-free maintenance. Its hollow fiber filter meets stringent NSF EPA Protocol 231 for the effective removal of bacteria and protozoa. Stay hydrated and healthy on your outdoor adventures with the Platypus Quickdraw Ultralight Water Filter System. Experience superior illumination with the MOICO headlamp flashlights. Boasting a maximum brightness of 1100 lumens and an impressive 200 to 300 meter range, you'll see clearly in any environment. The motion sensor feature allows for hands-free operation. Simply wave your hand to turn the lights on or off. Powered by a built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, the MOICO headlamp provides extended runtime. Handy battery indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge via the included micro USB cable. Built to withstand tough conditions, the MOICO headlamp is IPX4 waterproof, ensuring protection against water splashes from all angles. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With 2 mode buttons, the MOICO headlamp offers 8 lighting modes to suit various needs. Choose from main strong beam, main weak beam, side strong beam, side weak beam, red beam, SOS red strobe, and motion activated main or side strong beams. Weighing just 2.44 ounces, the MOICO headlamp is comfortable for all-day wear. The adjustable elastic headband ensures a secure fit for adults and kids, and the lamp head can be rotated 60 degrees and locked in place for stability. Each package includes 2 headlamps, backed by a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Enjoy a risk-free purchase and experience the difference of the MOICO headlamp flashlights. And now, introducing the WEKAPO Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa Chair, your portable relaxation haven. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this waterproof couch is a game-changer for hiking, picnics, and any adventure under the sun. Setting it up is incredibly easy, no pump needed. Simply scoop air into the lounger and seal the opening, and you're ready to unwind. What makes this lounger stand out is its unique pillow-shaped design, providing exceptional comfort and support for your head and neck. It stays inflated for an impressive 5 to 6 hours, ensuring long-lasting relaxation. The WEKAPO inflatable lounger comes with a convenient carry bag for easy transport, stakes to secure it on breezy days, and even a bottle opener for added convenience. This versatile lounger brings a touch of luxury to your outdoor adventures, making it the perfect companion for your next outing. The KITWLEMEN Camping Fan is the perfect multi-purpose companion for all your outdoor escapades. Thanks to a powerful 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you'll enjoy an impressive 8 to 100 hours of operation on a single charge. Plus, with 5V 3A Type-C input-output and a 5V 2A USB output, the fan doubles as a handy power bank to charge your other devices, making it essential for camping trips, power outages, or emergencies. Featuring 16 LED light beads with 3 adjustable brightness levels, you'll have plenty of light for nighttime activities like barbecues, picnics, and hiking. The fan's double tri-blade design and 270-degree pivoting head deliver strong airflow and customizable cooling in any direction. Choose from 4 different speeds to find your perfect comfort level. Separate controls for the fan and LED light, along with clear indicators for speed settings and battery capacity, make operation simple. The sturdy ABS material construction is anti-drop and anti-collision, and the stable base ensures it remains securely in place even at high speeds. Whether you're hanging it in your tent or using it as a desk fan indoors, The KITWLEMEN Camping Fan provides reliable performance for all your cooling and lighting needs. Beat the heat and stay comfortable wherever you go with the innovative ChillGo Neck Fan. Featuring an advanced 4-turbo system and 4 brushless motors, this fan delivers a powerful, consistent airflow for maximum cooling efficiency. Plus, it operates smoothly and quietly, ensuring you stay cool without any distractions. The ChillGo Neck Fan boasts a unique foldable design, making it easy to store and carry with you. The adjustable air vent allows you to direct the airflow precisely where you need it, providing personalized cooling comfort. With an impressive 5,200 mAh battery life, this portable fan keeps you cool for hours on a single charge. Enjoy uninterrupted relief during indoor and outdoor activities, from commuting and working out to exploring the outdoors. The ChillGo Neck Fan isn't just functional, it's also stylish. Its sleek and modern design complements any outfit or look. The lightweight, wearable design offers hands-free comfort and convenience for all your activities. Treat yourself and your loved ones to the gift of cool, thoughtful comfort. Whether they're commuting, working out, or enjoying the outdoors, the ChillGo Neck Fan is the ideal companion to stay cool and comfortable in any situation. There's nothing quite like a warm cup of coffee, especially on a chilly winter morning. To elevate this simple pleasure, we introduce the WACACO Picopresso, an espresso coffee maker designed for those on the move. With its ability to handle ultra-fine grinds, the Picopresso effortlessly brews instant coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, creamy cup anytime, anywhere. This portable marvel offers both convenience and a truly delightful coffee experience. Thanks to its advanced engineering, the Picopresso produces coffee with deep flavors and an enticing aroma, just like your favorite cup from home. And the best part? It operates completely without electricity, eliminating the need for batteries. Simple and effective, Picopresso requires minimal effort to use. Just follow a few easy steps and you'll be enjoying your perfect brew in no time. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your coffee rituals with the WACACO Picopresso. Turn every outdoor adventure into the perfect excuse to savor an exceptional cup of coffee effortlessly and in style.